That's a great request. I will remove all the staging notes, brackets, headings, and any filler/meta commentary to give you a clean, continuous script optimized for an engaging, high-retention voiceover track, perfect for your faceless video. Here is the final, clean script for your 30-minute US audience video. For years, the foldable phone market has felt like a beta test. Clunky hinges, visible creases, and a price tag that felt like a joke. But that's all about to change. Because less than a year from now, Apple is stepping into the ring. This is not the Galaxy Fold. This is not the Oppo Find N. This is the iPhone Fold. And today, we're peeling back the curtain on 5 monumental leaks that prove this phone isn't just an Apple version of what's already out there. It's a complete, market-redefining reset. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact release date, the surprisingly low starting price, and the one new design feature that instantly makes every other foldable obsolete. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the crease. It's the single biggest reason most people refuse to buy a foldable. It's unsightly, it's annoying when you swipe your finger over it, and it feels like a looming point of failure. Well, according to the deepest leaks, Apple has patented and perfected what's being described as a liquid metal hinge. Think about that. Not a visible gap, not a series of interlocking gears you can feel, but a hinge mechanism so flawlessly engineered that it practically eliminates the crease. It's a design that not only tackles the look of the crease when the screen is lit, but also the long-term structural damage that comes from opening and closing your device thousands of times. If this one detail holds true, and the sources are rock solid, it instantly puts Apple years ahead of the entire Android foldable ecosystem. The question isn't whether it's a good feature, but how quickly Samsung and others will scramble to reverse engineer it. Now, let's talk size, because this is where the iPhone Fold breaks from the book-style convention. The internal main screen is rumored to be a generous 7.8-inch display. To put that in perspective for an Apple user, it's almost the size of the old 7.9-inch iPad mini, which was one of the most beloved screen sizes in Apple history. It's a size they know works, but now it folds in half. That's huge for utility. But the real shocker is the front screen when the device is closed. It's not a full-width, awkward display like the current generation of foldables. It's a 5.5-inch display. Why is this strange size a game changer? It suggests the whole phone will have a different aspect ratio. We're used to a tall, skinny book. This 5.5-inch cover screen points to a device that is shorter but wider when folded. This wider, more horizontal internal display, that 7.8-inch screen, solves the biggest media problem in the foldable space. When you watch a movie on a Galaxy Fold today, those black borders on the top and bottom eat up almost a third of your screen space. It's wasted space. The new iPhone Fold's horizontal aspect ratio means you'll be consuming media with virtually no black bars. It is a pure, cinematic, big screen experience. This isn't just a phone, it's the portable media player we've always wanted. Here's a feature you probably never expected to see return to a flagship iPhone: Touch ID. For years, we've relied solely on Face ID, but the leaks indicate the foldable iPhone will feature a side-mounted Touch ID sensor, integrated right into the power button. Think of how it works on the iPad Air or the iPad mini. It's fast, reliable, and honestly, sometimes more convenient than Face ID, especially when your face is partially covered. This isn't just a nostalgic nod. It's a practical security feature for a device you'll be holding in new ways. It shows Apple is prioritizing utility for this new form factor, acknowledging that Face ID isn't always the fastest unlock method when you're unfolding your device on the go. For the legions of fans who missed this feature, the Touch ID comeback is a massive win. One of the biggest anxieties around any foldable is battery life. You're powering essentially a small tablet. So, what's the point of a massive screen if the battery dies before lunch? This is where the iPhone Fold adopts a cutting-edge technology pioneered by other brands like Oppo and Honor: carbon lithium batteries. These are not your typical batteries. They are significantly thinner and offer a slightly better energy density than traditional lithium-ion. By using this next-generation technology, Apple is reportedly going to smash all expectations and deliver a battery capacity of over 5,000 milliamp hours. Now, compare that to a standard iPhone 17 Pro Max, which might be in the 3,000 range. A 5,000 plus mAh battery in a device this size is absolutely revolutionary. It means you won't just get all-day battery life, you'll get heavy-use all-day battery life. This is the detail that truly proves Apple is engineering a no-compromise device. So, with all these groundbreaking features, the creaseless hinge, the cinematic display, the Touch ID comeback, and a massive battery, this phone must cost a fortune, right? The initial rumors pegged it at $2,000 or more for the base model. But the latest, most exciting leak suggests otherwise. Get ready. The starting price for the base model iPhone Fold could be as low as $1,700 or even $1,600. Think about the psychology of that price point for a second. It's certainly not cheap, but it actively undercuts the first-generation launch price of many rival foldables. More importantly, Apple is essentially giving you the screen size of an iPad mini and the power of a Pro Max iPhone. If the total cost is equal to or less than buying a high-end iPhone and a tablet separately, they have won. This pricing strategy doesn't just enter the market, it aims to dominate it. So, when can you get your hands on this game changer? The release date is locked in for 2026. Specifically, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone Fold at their traditional September event, launching right alongside the new iPhone 18 Pro Max. You heard that correctly. Less than a year from now, the tech landscape fundamentally shifts. The iPhone Fold is not just another device in Apple's lineup. It's their nuclear option for the entire smartphone industry. They have taken their time, watched the competition make mistakes with creases and clunky designs, and are now prepared to deliver a device that is premium, powerful, and for the first time in the foldable space, polished. From the groundbreaking liquid metal hinge that kills the crease, to the new aspect ratio that makes media consumption perfect, and the aggressive battery and pricing strategy. This device is designed to be the first foldable that millions of mainstream consumers will buy. Now, I want to hear from you. With a potential starting price of $1,600 and a creaseless screen, are you finally ready to jump into the foldable world? Or are you waiting for the next generation? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to be the first to know the moment the next leak drops, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.